Bitcoin hitting another record high today, breaking through 72,000, almost 72.5 now. Let's get to Bob Pisani with a look at the crypto surge in today's ETF Edge. Hey, Bob.
Hey, Scotty. For the ETF community, Bitcoin is the gift that keeps on giving. Since the 10 spot Bitcoin ETFs began trading in mid-January, flows have steadily increased. But can investors handle all this volatility? Let's talk with the managers of one of those Bitcoin ETFs. Matt Hougan is the CIO of Bitwise Asset Management. He runs the Bitwise Bitcoin ETF Trust. That's BITB. Matt, they started trading the 9 new spot Bitcoin ETFs since they started mid-January. I've seen about $20 billion in inflows, including $1.3 billion into your ETFs. Grayscale has seen some outflows, not surprisingly. But just tell us, who's buying your ETFs, these ETFs? Is it retail? Is it institutions? Do you have a sense of who's buying?
Yeah, I do, Bob. It's sort of everyone, everywhere, all at once. I mean, right out of the gate, the initial buyers are retail investors, registered investment advisors, but we're also seeing hedge funds, venture capital funds, and others lining up. Soon, we think we'll unlock major wealth management platforms, the Morgan Stanleys and Wells Fargos, and we're even seeing corporates lining up to get into these funds. So a lot of the floodgates are open, not all of them. It's some retail demand, but there's an increasing share of professional investor demand, and I think that share is growing.
So that's my next question. What kind of institutional acceptance or resistance are you seeing? So, for example, how many of the wirehouses are allowing trading in your spot Bitcoin ETFs right now?
They're mostly allowing it on an unsolicited basis, which means that if a customer asks, they can facilitate that trade. But we think in the next weeks or months, and it could be as soon as weeks, you'll start to see these major wirehouses allow solicited investing into these Bitcoin ETFs. That means that the advisors can suggest to their clients that it might be helpful for their overall portfolio to add a small amount of Bitcoin exposure. And historically, that's when you see sort of massive flows from those platforms, and that's what I expect.
Right. So if you're at Merrill or Morgan Stanley and you ask, you might be able to be allowed to trading, but it may not be on the platform. Is that the point there?
You may be able, depending on your situation. Yeah.
Okay. So a lot of these new investors coming into Bitcoin through these ETFs may not be used to the kind of volatility we're seeing. I mean, we had a low of, what was it, 39,000 in January to over 70,000 today. Is there a correlation that Bitcoin is correlated with that can satisfy investors who are concerned about it? It doesn't seem to be an inflation play. Is it correlated with tech? Is it correlated to nothing? Is it a completely different asset class itself?
You know, I think Bitcoin is its own asset that going through a period of price discovery. Before these ETFs, only a small fraction of the global capital markets could access it. And now everyone can. And we're seeing Bitcoin reprice as a result. But one thing I'll say that's been really nice to see is if you strip out GBTC, which had some artificial selling from the FTX estate exiting it, if you just look at the new 9 ETFs, investors added exposure when the price went from 50 to down to 39,000, and they've added exposure as it's gone up to 72. In otherwise, they weren't panicked by the pullback, and they haven't gotten overexcited by the run. They're just steadily adding to Bitcoin exposure, and that gives me confidence that they're here to stay. I think most of them are long-term investors in the space.
Okay, we're going to have a lot more coming up on how the Bitcoin ETFs are changing the investing landscape for ETFs. That's ETF Edge coming up 1:10 p.m. Eastern Time. We'll also talk about a new wave of weight loss ETFs. You knew that was coming. You knew that was happening. ETFedge.cnbc.com. Scott, back to you.
Of course it is, Bob. Thank you.